In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off or shut down your iPhone device. To shut down your iPhone or to turn off your iPhone, it's very simple and basic to do. The first thing, I'm going to be showing you two methods here. The first method is going to be very, very basic. So which is what a lot of people know already. So if you check the volume up, you just want to hold, I just want to tap on the volume up. Is either the volume up or the volume down, and the power button at the same time. You want to hold the power button and the volume button beside at the side of your iPhone. You just want to tap on them at the same time and hold it for just 3 seconds. So let's do that. You tap the volume button and the power button and hold for just 3 seconds. Once you tap and hold it for 3 seconds, it will show you this page. On this page, it will ask you to slide to power off. Because you can see, if you tap on this slide to power off, if you slide it to the right, it will be powered off. So guys, that is the first step you can use to turn off your device. I'm going to be showing you the second step if that is not working for you. You want to go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, So on these settings, I want you to tap on general. So tap on general on here. Once you tap on general, I want you to scroll down all the way down. So at the extreme bottom, you are going to see shut down. I want you to, this is how you can actually turn off or shut down your iPhone. Thanks for watching.